Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, 12th February 2021, CEO of Hira Group, Dr. Navera Sheikh has released her fourth video message. I would like to translate few points for our South Indian brothers who don't understand Hindi properly. The highlights are: blackmailers were always behind Hira Group. Dr. Navera Sheikh Appa has inspired by the Quranic teaching to uplift Muslim community in business and economic aspects. Hira Group investors are bound by terms and conditions of loss and profit with Hira Group, and Hira Group reserves the right to modify, amend or add the new terms and conditions. Hira Group never invited people to invest in return of 36 to 40% benefit luring. Profit delay incident will not enable any investor to lodge complaint against company according to terms and conditions. At 11th minute 49 seconds, she said there was one of the complainant who invested around 1 lakh rupees and took nearly 2 lakhs in return, and still he lodged complaint. She further said Hira Group has deposited the complainer's check. Amount will credit only after Hira Group's data verification. To get the credit of check, complainants have to prove their claims of lodging FIR. All the instructions of Supreme Court have been complied by CEO of Hira Group. Further, she said no state has given the affidavit to support their action against Hira Group in Supreme Court till date. Hira Group can pay even 1 lakh investors if states provide her the required data. All complainants must provide 5 things to Hira Group via courts, IO, competent authority. That is their investment request letter to Hira Group, agreement letter, certificate, IBG number, bank details of transactions related to investment. Officials have not provided the data of Hira Group till today. CEO has taken some steps even she does not like, but it will benefit the investors. Further, at 19th minute 47th second, you can see CEO got emotional recalling the supporters' court attendance, and you can see expression of wet eyes. Hira Group completed 90% of Supreme Court's order and guideline till today. Hira Group supporters became the wife of CEO when she was imprisoned falsely. All FIRs are false, illegal, unconstitutional. Further, Supreme Court has given interim stay to FIRs. Those who complain in future and approach court, their settlement will only through courts after their claims are proven. Supporters, non-complainers will get amount as soon as the accounts defreezes. Investors of 2018 will receive payment first. Supporters, non-complainers, audio videos are being watched by CEO oftenly, and she got motivation from those messages. Further, at 24th minute, she said CEO appreciates her supporters' social media activities, which are free from abuses and hate. CEO wants investors should be victorious in this life and life hereafter. Jazakallahu khair wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.